Welcome to my channel. I'm your host GL, and today's video is packed with easy exercises about welding metallurgy. Which of the following is not a common welding defect? A. Porosity. B. Lack of fusion. C. Undercut. D. Slag inclusion. A. Over-alloying. The correct answer is E. Over-alloying. What is the heat-affected zone in welding? A. The area where the electrode makes contact with the workpiece, a region of base material that has had its microstructure altered by the heat of welding. C. The molten pool of metal during welding. D. The area covered by the welding arc. E. The region where filler material is added. The correct answer is B. The region of base material that has had its microstructure altered. By the way, if you're enjoying the video so far, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It really helps support the channel, and it only takes a second. What is the purpose of post-weld heat treatment? A. To increase the hardness of the weld. B. To remove residual stresses and improve ductility. C. To melt any remaining slag. To increase the cooling rate of the weld. E. To add alloying elements to the weld. The correct answer is B. To remove residual stresses and improve ductility. If you're looking for more exercises to test your knowledge, there's also a link in the description for you. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.